Hi, my name is Polina Osho. I am a surface pattern designer and I am happy to meet you on my new YouTube channel. Here I share with you my drawing process, art tips, sketchbook tours and good mood. Today I am drawing a postcard with acrylic markers. As usual, it's a floral motif. I've chosen to draw very spring flowers, narcissus. My color palette is also very fresh. It's apple green, yellow and white. I took yellow 300 GSM postcard paper, so I don't need to color the background. I really like to use this hint and use colored paper with acrylic markers. First, I outline the shapes of flower buds with a white Artistro marker. Then I go to the green short stems with big picky leaves. I draw them with a Posca marker. Both markers are with a thin tip. It's about 0.7 millimeters. It's my favorite size of the tip. I try to fill the postcard evenly with the big flower shapes. When all outlines are ready, I go to the coloring. I also add some tiny details to small empty spaces. While coloring, I want to share one little thing about Artistro marker that I really enjoy. The body of the marker, the barrel, is made of transparent plastic. It allows you to see how much paint is left. I find it absolutely brilliant. I've been dreaming of such tubes for Posca as I've been using them for more than 3 years. Anyway, I can only guess how much paint is left inside Posca based only on the weight of the marker. You can find all info about my art supplies in the description below the video. I color it with the white first. As the background's color is rather light, one layer of white is enough to cover it. Otherwise, I would apply 2 or even 3 layers of paint. When all petals are ready, I go to the apple green color and leaves and I add more tiny shapes on the negative space. I'll send this postcard to one of my patrons who are kindly supporting me on Patreon. There I share more of my behind the scenes news and art theory. In the end, I add details. These are green flower stamens and yellow strokes on the leaves, and the postcard is ready. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments what video format you're interested in and what you would like to learn from me. Thank you for watching. Bye!